What is this?
Yangnyeom Galbi use the ribs of cows or pigs. This area is a suitable mixture of lean meat and fat, giving it a rich flavor and texture when cooking. The essence of this dish lies in its special seasoning, which gives it a rich and deep flavor. Made mainly with soy sauce, sugar, garlic, sesame oil, pepper, and ginger, it gives ribs a sweet and rich flavor. The marinated ribs are usually grilled over a charcoal fire or grill. As the meat hits the fire directly, it becomes slightly crispy outside and maintains a soft texture inside. It boasts a slightly crispy outside and a soft, juicy texture on the inside. Meat around ribs is known to be especially delicious and tender.